We'll be learning how to generate voices with emotions using AI. This is going to be interesting. So first of all, we are going to head to our Google Studio. We're going to head to our Google Studio. Okay, so this is our Google Studio. I believe you're familiar with this interface already. So what we are going to do is to go to text to speech with Gemini. Text to speech with Gemini. So we click here, it is going to give us this particular interface, right? So we want to generate a voiceover for a video. I already have the script ready, so we won't spend so much time in this in this particular module. So I'm going to come over here by the right, click on single speaker audio. If you're doing this with your smartphone, it is not hard to locate. So single speaker audio, this is what we have. Immediately you click on it, it is going to give you this interface. So here we are going to be inputting our script, and then here is the style instructions. So I have my script somewhere. Okay, I saved it here. So this is our script. It's a very short script. Copy, and then we'll paste it here, right? Then our tone, I also have that ready. Our tone is soft, dreamy fairy tale vibe. I'm going to tell you about tones. So read aloud in a soft, dreamy fairy tale vibe. This is what we want to do. It is super simple. So this is our script, and then our style instructions. That is how we want the voiceover to sound. We don't just want it to sound like I am sounding. So this is for a particular video that I did. I wanted it to sound dreamy. You know that fairy tale voiceover when you watch them Elsa, Rapunzel, Cinderella, those kind of tone. That is what I want. So when you get this ready, and then this ready, the next thing you're going to do, you come over here to the model setting. This is where you change your temperature. You have to be creative here with your speed. I do not touch this. And then over here for the voice, this is where you select the voices that you want. We have the male voices.
Ready to build something awesome today?
Got a project in mind?
And we have the female voices and the male voices. Yeah.
What do you want to explore?
Plenty of.
Ready to make something amazing?
I love Sulafat. I love her so much.
What idea do you want to bring to life?
So the reason I love her voice is because, I don't know, it relates. It's warm and it's just a middle pitch. It's not too high, it's not too low. It's just warm. So I always select her. But you can always play these. You can also play these and then select the one that you want, the one that suits your script. So we're going with Solafat. Then the next thing you're going to do is to come over here. You will see run. Then you click on it. And then it starts generating, right? Then the next thing we are going to do is to come back here is on multi-speaker audio. I also have my script ready, so I'm just going to go to the tab. All you just have to do is to click on the multi-speaker audio, right? So this is multi-speaker audio, clicked, and then this is the interface. This is what is going to show you, and then you see speaker 1, speaker 2, speaker 1, speaker 2. So I had to quickly get a shot.
Sunlight kisses the morning breeze as I wander through.
Okay, our voiceover is ready, and when it's ready, it starts playing immediately, and then you have to come over here and play, and then
This garden of dreams. Today feels magical, like the world is smiling at me. With every cherry I pick, I'm reminded that life can be sweet. You just have to reach out and taste the joy. I twirl through blooming flowers, grateful, fearless, alive. Each step sings a promise that beautiful days are here to stay. So here I sit, heart full, basket full, knowing that happiness grows where love is planted. And today, I choose love.
So did you see that? This is super, super beautiful. So if you're creating all these cartoons or any kind of storytelling that has to do with the dreamy vibe, the fairy tale vibe, this is what you choose. I have a long list of tones that you can use for your audio. So let's go back to the multi-speaker audio. Okay, so this is a multi-speaker audio. Here, I already have my script. I'm trying to promote my course. So read aloud in a natural conversational tone, because I want these people to talk. I just want them to have a conversation, right? So I first of all put the script of what of the speaker one, what I want the speaker one to say. So I want it to say, why do my images look so generic, right? Then speaker 2 will say, because you're not prompting right. There's a formula. Then speaker 1 will say, a formula for AI. Yes, prompting is literally a skill you learn. Then where did you learn it? Pro Prompt Mastery course, best hours I ever spent on a course, 5,000 naira, over 10 modules, lifetime access. Check the link below. So you can come over here and add a dialogue, and then you type in the speaker 1 content, right? But you can click on it again, it gives you the speaker 2, right? But I already have mine ready. So over here, it is going to, this is like how the voice is going to sound, what the voice is going to say. Okay, it is going to read it aloud in a natural conversational tone. So this is your script. As you type it by this right side, it shows here, right? Then the next thing you're going to do is to come over here, your model settings, the temperature, I already told you about that. Then the speaker here, speaker 1 is
Ready to build something awesome today?
okay, I need a guy.
Got a project in mind?
Well, let's check why do my images? Okay, so I want the guy.
Got a project in mind?
Okay, I want the guy. I'm choosing Pork. And then you come to speaker 2 settings. I'm choosing, let's see, informative.
What do you want to explore?
No, I want a female for the conversation. So it will be a male and a female. Let's still go with this babe. Let's go with this babe. Or do we check if we have something like a high pitch? Maybe a female with a high pitch. Let's see.
What idea do you want to bring to life? What kind of project are you thinking of?
What's a skill you'd like to develop?
What kind of project are you thinking of?
Okay. I think I'll have to change this first guy. I heard one bar's voice like that. I think it's...
Ready to make something amazing?
Oh my God, no. Let's go with Pork. This is too deep. Let's go with Pork. Okay, so this is it. This is pretty much it. And then you click on run. Let's see. Okay. So remember, you can always add your dialogue whenever you want. Add your conversational tone.
Why do my AI images look so generic?
Because you're not prompting right. There's a formula.
A formula? For AI?
Yes, prompting is literally a skill you learn.
Where did you learn it?
Pro Prompt Mastery course. Best hours I ever spent on a course. 5,000 Naira, over 10 modules, lifetime access. Check the link below.
Did you see that? No, did you hear that? Did you hear that? Just 24 seconds. And then I use it for my scripts to promote my course. I'm going to use this audio. Very simple. Remember, the reason it sounds like this is because of this tone. I said read aloud in a natural conversational tone. So this will bring me to different tones that you can use for your voiceovers. All right. Let's see. I have quite a lot here. So AI voiceover tones you can use for different storytelling moods and projects. So you see, soft, dreamy fairy tale vibe for fantasy stories, emotional art, or soothing narrations, right? Bold, confident, motivational for brand commercials, empowerment messages. Like there are a whole lot of them. So all you just need to do is to select the one that you want. If you're doing this one is for baby products, care brands, and comfort themed ads. So you just have to use this tone: gentle, nurturing, and motherly tone. Techie, futuristic. Do you see that? For AI innovation, cyber themed videos, clean robotic touch with minimal emotion, slightly echoic. So you see, these are the tones that you can select from, a wide range of them that you can select from for your tones. So that is it for generating voices with emotions using AI. All right, I'll see you in the next one.